How to tag people in Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to tag people in your Instagram story step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the story section where you can create a new story, now here you can either tap on the camera icon to take a photo or video directly, or you can simply scroll through your gallery photos and videos to simply select one to upload from your phone. So here for this video I'm gonna simply upload the photo. And now here, once you are in the new story section, you simply have to swipe up from the bottom. And now here in the pop-up menu you'll see tons of options. So from here, simply tap on mention button, and after that you can simply mention the people from your list. So here I'm gonna simply tag a certain person, and here once I'm done with it, I'm gonna simply tap on share and share it in my story section. And here once you're done, the friends will be automatically tagged in once your story has posted. And that's it. That's how you can tag people in Instagram story. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.